today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this pastel spring vibe look, all matte eyeshadows. So if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, just continue to watch. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into it. I'm going to start off with using the Huda Beauty Kohl Obsession palette. Take this color right here, which is kind of like a matte, it's kind of like a matte orangey brownish light color right here, and just apply it in my crease area. Oh, but before I do that, let me go ahead and add primer. So I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place concealer in shade number 13 and just apply it all over my lid area. Using my beauty blender just to blend out the concealer. So guys, I'm back and ready to pump out more videos. Really just took a break after the winter storm in Texas. Just pretty much just took a break from everything. I haven't really been on social media at all. Packing this eyeshadow color in my crease area just to build up the intensity. This color right here, which is a little bit deeper, this matte eyeshadow, and just apply it underneath the first eyeshadow color. So to deepen up the outer corner area, I'm going to take this eyeshadow color right here, and to warm it up a little bit darker, this eyeshadow color right here on the outer corner. Oh my gosh, look at the color payoff. This is very pigmented. Look at that. Okay, and then go back into this, use this color just to deepen it up a little bit darker. The Huda Beauty Pastel Lilac palette. Taking these two purple eyeshadow color and just layer on top of it on my eyelid area. This darker matte purple eyeshadow first and just apply it on my lid area. The NYX glitter glue all over my lid area before I apply the purple eyeshadow on my lid area. To deepen up the outer corner, I'm going to go back in with this darker reddish brown eyeshadow color and just apply it on the outer corner to bring the eyeshadow colors together. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump right into face. So for moisturizer, I'm using a Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Apply this all over my face. I like this because it gives you more of a hydrating, not so much sticky, but you can feel it, kind of like a silky finish. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in 420. Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch, and Kevyn Aucoin concealer in SX12. Born This Way concealer. So I like to start with my chin and forehead area and then leave underneath my eyes area last. To set my concealer, I'm using a Mercier setting powder in Honey. For face pad, I'm using MAC Mineralize face powder in Dark Deep. And for bronzer, I'm using the Bobbi Brown bronzer in Deep. And let's jump back into the finishing the eyes. So I'm going back in with the same Lilac palette. I'm taking this lighter shade purple matte shade and just apply it in my inner corner area. For the lower lash line, I'm taking this dark color that I applied on the outer corner and just applied it in my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm using MAC, and this one is called Costa Riche. So for blush, this MAC color called Coppertone blush, and just apply it on the apples part of my cheekbones. For highlight, I'm using Cover FX highlighter in Candlelight. For lipstick, I'm using Huda Beauty lipstick in Board Meeting. Like a nude, cool tone lipstick, and it's also a matte lipstick. I'm thinking about, should I leave it matte or apply lip gloss? Okay, so this is what it looks like with matte lipstick. And to add gloss, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in Hot Chocolate. To finish off my look, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay guys, this pretty much completes my look. My makeup actually came out really good. It's giving me more of a spring vibe with the matted pastel purple eyeshadows and orange eyeshadows. Came out really good. I'm liking it. Actually, I'm loving it. Actually came out really good. Made it this far in my video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video.